Is your Mercedes C-Class alarm going off randomly? Let's pinpoint the cause. The two most common culprits are the bonnet switch and the interior sensor. First, consider when the alarm triggers. Does it happen mostly when parked, suggesting a possible sensor issue? Or does it occur randomly, potentially indicating a faulty bonnet switch? The bonnet switch is a sensor on the hood latch, and corrosion, misalignment, or damage can cause false open signals, triggering the alarm. The interior sensor, usually found under the seats or in the center console, detects movement inside the car. Sensitivity issues, battery drain, or even humidity can cause it to trigger. To test the bonnet switch, check for visible damage and corrosion. For the interior sensor, try adjusting the sensitivity settings if your model allows it. In newer 2018 Plus models, a software update via the MBUX system might be available to reset the sensors. If you suspect the bonnet switch, replacement is often the best solution. You can typically find the correct part online for around $50. Disconnect the battery before starting to avoid electrical shocks. Replace the switch, ensuring proper alignment. After replacing the bonnet switch, or if the interior sensor is the problem, perform a system reset. Try holding the lock button on your key fob for 10 seconds. Alternatively, disconnect the vehicle's battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the alarm control unit's memory. For modern C-Class models, consider using an OBD2 scanner with apps like Torque Pro for a software reset. Remember, these fixes might be temporary. If the problem persists, especially in newer models, it could indicate a deeper electrical issue or software bug. Consulting a professional mechanic is advisable to avoid further damage.